this one. Blue. And this is supposed to be yellow. It looks like orange. I mean, it matches my wall. So, match. But yeah. I used to be a cheerleader. You're probably like, why do you keep looking up when I'm not looking at the camera like this? And I look like that. That's because I'm watching myself on TV and recording this at the same time. I like to make videos. Maybe it's just me. What a good song. Okay, what if this is